Welcome back, guys, to a brand new video. In today's video, we're just gonna be going online. Let's just chat with my friend, Psychic Cat. His name is Psychic Cat, guys. Anyways, guys, so this is him right now. He's just doing his own thing. I don't really know what to do. So let's just play some video games. Let's just explore Roblox. Let's just see what's up. I also want to play with really want to play. So he's playing Shrek: The Force Awakens. Let's just join. Let's see what happens. Alrighty, let's just get into this game. This is probably gonna be very weird. What is this? May, what is this? This is so freaking weird. I just got kicked out. Mate. What? I don't know why I'm being British. I'm terrible at it, so whatever. What is this? Shrek: The Force Awakens? I don't understand. I really don't understand. Proceed? What is this place? This is a holy shrine of Shrek, the bridge between the physical and the spiritual world. How do you enter the spiritual world? The pool of water is the way. Who are you? I'm the guardian of Shrek. I guard this holy shrine. How do I become famous? Embark on a spiritual journey. Sounds easy enough. It is not. You will have to face many dangers. Only the most worthy of men return back. Okay, alright, thanks. Ciao. Shrek. What the heck? What is this? Where am I, bro? What is it doing? Is a swim underneath? What? The heck is happening right now? Whoa. Holy crap. What is happening right now? Ah! What the heck? Let's just go to that door. It seems very far away. But hey, we'll get to it. Come on. Mates. She's gone first person. Whoa. What the heck is that? What is happening right now? Let's just climb this. I have no clue what's happening right now. Why is this? What? Hey, it's your boy Sid. Yeah, what's up? Just chilling. What the heck? What is this game? Why is there Shrek? Bruh. This is so freaking weird. What the heck is happening? This parkour seems really easy, so. Well, you wanna go in the main cave? Nah. No, I don't wanna go in the main cave. I have to go in, do I? Bruh. What is this? Oh, that kinda sucked. Well, don't worry, the next meme cave will be better. Alright, well, okay, fine. Trust you, mate. Trust you. Oh, this game is so freaking weird. Whoa! Oh my god. Can you just go like that? Yeah, you can. Oh my god. What's happening? Hello, child of Shrek. Where am I now? You have entered the spiritual realm. Hold up from here. Keep following the path. It will eventually take you to the surface. Okay, good to know, good to know. Bro, this game is so freaking weird. Like, I'm actually serious. Like, what kind of game is this right now? Bro. It's like Shrek. I'm gonna enter the world of Shrek. Oh god. Oh god. What do I do? Oh, okay, I gotta go this way. Go this way. Got him. Let's keep going. Yeet. Oh my god, I failed. I was like the first. Bro! I'm failing because of these kids keep bumping into me. Stop it! Bro. I'm gonna get ahead if you keep just going first. Why do I keep. Bro, this kid keeps making me fall! What the heck is happening right now? Okay, I died. Okay, good to know. Died. Bro, this kid! Why do you keep doing that? Bruh. Stop doing that! We're not gonna get ahead. Oh my god. This kid. Okay. Okay. Making progress. We gotta jump here now. Okay, let's get up here. Alright. Making progress. Okay. We're up. We're doing good. Whoa. 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 Okay, this meme cave is really good. I don't know if it's gonna do all kind of stuff. Dude, just trust me. It's one of the dopest. Okay. And it's the same one again, it's just longer, bro. What is happening? Bro, what is happening right now? Snap, that was literally the same thing. Dude, just chill out. Whatever. Just go to see the last meme cave, okay. Bro, I don't want to see the meme cave. Oh my god. This is such a bad game. Oh dude, I wish this got this ladder. Let's keep going. Now I gotta jump here, to here, and here. Oh, that's where Psychic Kid is. That's cool. Oh my god. I really don't. This is the one, homie. Fine. Alright, let's see if it's a good cave. Bruh. It's the same one. Whoa! What is this? Nah, that was just meme cave. Yeah, that was actually pretty cool. Sweet round. So, what now? Well, thanks to you for a good man. Peace out, my homie. My real dream. Holy Shrek would be with you. What is this? Where am I going? Cena, okay. Bro, what is this? We're gonna meet John Cena? What's happening? What's popping? Okay, alrighty guys. Let's see where we are headed. And guys, that will be in the next episode, guys. Alrighty, we got a sword, we got everything, but guys, we're gonna continue this on the next episode, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was pretty fun. Guys, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you gotta do to be a part of the Fox Army. Hashtag Fox Army. Bro, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. But hey, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and you'll get 7,000 blazes in Minecraft. Bye bye.